Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my videos and sharing my videos. So today in this video, I'll be sharing with you how to add these multiple links, right? So there are a lot of people who start affiliate marketing and want to promote multiple things at a one time. So let me show you how you can add these multiple links on your website with the help of Linktree, right? So first step is go to Linktree. Yes. So once you go to Linktree, so you can see you can start here for free. Once you click here, get start for free. Yes, they will ask for this, right? Your email, and you can choose your username. Like for example, my username is Yaminigawa and I chose my password. I already have an account. So yes, I'll show you how we can add links in there. Yep. So I'll click here. Yep. And I'll enter the password. We'll load it from here. Oh, sorry, entered the wrong password. So, go back. Yes, so once we click here, yes, so you can see it is logged in now, and I have already like added multiple links here, and it's up to you like which link you want to on. So you can click here, that link will be shown to your website, and here as well. So I don't want to show these two links, so I have just turned off. Okay, so let's begin. You can add multiple links from here. So I will show you how we can add link from like link here. For example, and you can also see like how many views, how many clicks you have per link. Yeah, so this is my YouTube channel, right? So here I'll pick one of my video, right? And
AWEBER.
yeah, so here I'll click on share and I'll copy link here. So if I want people to see this video from my link, I'll add new link, right? The link I copied, I'll paste here, and I'll enter watch my YouTube video here, right? So once you enter this, it is, yep, it's all done. And you can see this will come as a first. And if you want to add more links, just do add new link. Paste your URL here, your affiliate link or anything, like this is my affiliate link, and add the description like what it is about, ये किस लिए है ना, तो इसको आपने यहाँ पे टाइटल डाल देना है. And yeah, that's all done. If you want to delete anything, go here and delete. Yes, and like for example this you don't want to delete here. And if you have a preference, like on first number you have to put this one, drag simply and do this. You have to drag from here on the left corner, drag. And so I want my legendary marketer link to be first and then get your email responder. Yes, that's simple. And now I'll show you how we can have a look with this, right? So that's my TikTok account basically. Yeah. So once you go to my profile, you'll see this link here. Click on this link and you will see, yep, these are now coming like this, right? It's very easy. It's very simple. Just simply go to Linktree and add your multiple links. Add as many as links you can, because you can promote anything by this. Just add your links, explain what it is about, right? And I want to show you one more thing. This page. If you have this page, how to shorten this link, right? How to get rid of this page? I'll show you. Okay. So this is your link tree. Yeah, so basically this is your link tree, this is your link. So copy this link, click right, copy link address, and go to bit.ly bit.ly login, right? I already have account with bit.ly, so you have to create one that is totally free, right? And I'll go login here, username, add username. Yep, and then add your password. I'm so bad with my passwords. To be honest, it should work. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, it is working, right? तो आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे जाना है. Basically this option, right? You can see I have created links here, right? And आपको क्या करना है, create. यहाँ पे अपना long URL है जो paste कर देना है, right? जो भी आपने copy किया है, paste, right? And then simply you got this URL, right? Yeah, just copy this one now, and you can save this. Like this is your link basically, and you can copy here. This is copied, and now you can save here. So once you go to new browser, paste the link, bit.ly link. So if anybody is opening, you'll get this page, not that page. Like we don't want that this page. This page, like people just get scared what it is in, like, you know. So yeah. So this is very simple. If you have any question, this is first step. After you complete 3 days training, this is first step. Add your links to your page. Just simply add that bit.ly link to your website here, as I have added, right? And people will click, and whatever they want, they can buy from there. And it's simple. Yes, if you like this video, please do share and comment. If you have any question, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.